Well, good evening, guys. We're at Mason's Hot Rods and Hobbies for the SCMA monthly meeting, and it looks like there is a crowd here today. Let's go in, see the guys, see what kind of models are. Wow, this place is full tonight. See what all's on the tables. See you inside. Hey guys, whenever you stop at Mason's Hot Rods and Hobbies, you never know what you're going to see in the parking lot or in the shop. This Bullet Edition Mustang's been out in the parking lot about 3 times lately, and you see here the Bullet Edition gas cap and the steering wheel inside. And right here you see Chuck, one of the RC mechanics and hobby shop managers, has a 1950 Ford, and this is the flathead that is in it, and it is just cool. Let me apologize in advance for the audio on the club meeting. I'll probably cut most of it out and just go over to the models that were on display, let you get a look at those. I was a little too far away for Chuck to be heard, but what he was covering was some tank tracks that are totally metal and they work. And the same company that makes those, he was sharing, makes them for the 24th, 25th scale tractors as well. And these things were just cool. Hope you enjoy the models, and I'll talk to you at the end.
Makes your model look more realistic because you paint junkers series thing. I'll take a crappy model and build something out of it. So that's what that old Chevy truck is for.
Very cool. Good job. Nice job on all those.
Yeah. They all been brush painted. There's no spray paint on none of them.
Huh.
They all been brush painted.
Cool. Looks good. They're neat. Good job. Yes, it is.
You don't see many of the old stuff.
No,
like
the old stuff doesn't come out anymore.
Nope.
You did a good job on it, though. Yes.
They were old glue bombs when I got them. So
You did a
I
good job
redid
on
them.
those. Okay, number 11. We got Chevy.
Yeah. That's AMT 64 Impala. I built that car back when I was in the Marine Corps about 35 years ago. And about 2016, I'd moved and I was downsizing my collection and I sold it. I don't know who I sold it to, but somehow Tim Coker got a hold of it. And he sold it along with another junker to another guy I know. And I was in his shop a while back and I was looking in the box. It was a 55 Nomad box. And it said glue bomb on it. And I said, well, what's in there? And it said 2 Impalas or something. And I opened it up. That one was sitting in there. I said, that looks familiar. Picked it up and I,
Yep, that's mine.
that's mine. I built that 35 years ago. So I ended up I said, well, I bought it back just for the heck. Old
Barn find.
Yeah. Well, I don't know whether I want to. I don't know if I want to restore it or leave it as is, as a survivor that came back home, or
That's what I would do. I'd just leave it the way it is, man.
yeah,
I would definitely leave it. That's gold.
yeah,
That's gold right there, man.
Story's worth that much. Yeah. And so I bought it back, and I said, well, I do need the mirrors. The mirrors got knocked off and broke along the way, but if someone's got a set of mirrors, hey, let me know.
Keep it to date on.
What's your arm? You almost hitting the motorcycle.
And he's on your side.
Go ahead,
Doug.
Okay.
And then the old purple dune buggy is the AMT Myers Manx, and it's basically box stock. I painted it with 2 different colors of fingernail polish. One is the purple, and then I found this really cool. It's called Stellar Explosion. That's kind of a flaky with the purple clear sort of in it, and I sprayed it over that, and it just pops in the sunlight. And then I don't normally put front tags on my cars, but I did. A buddy of mine he made one. It's got the Marines on the front. And I just made it basically for the street. It's not a sand dune buggy.
Cool deal.
And then the other one is the TV dune buggy, and I made it basically for the street too. I didn't make it for the sand. And then It's fingernail polish. And then well, the seats are white pearl, Tamiya white pearl, same as the dune buggy, the Myers. And then I bare metal folded the grill shell. It was molded in colors, so I just bare metal folded it just for the heck of it. And I put the whites on it just because I used the chrome reverses. And it sort of looks like it's supposed to be like a tea bucket style.
Doug,
excuse me, buddy.
Anybody that didn't vote? Everybody vote?
Everybody heard?
Huh?
Everybody heard?
Excuse me, Doug.
Y'all got flyers over here. Y'all need to get one while you're over here.
I ate one.
Flyers over there.
Okay, the winner is. Just put it this way, it's not going to fit in the case.
Oh. Number one.
Your scepter. Well, I guess we can break it up, put it on a little bit on each shelf, can't we?
Sit down very top.
Hang on, there you go.
We just hang it from the ceiling and be done with it.
Or somebody get here showing that with their hands and talking with their hands and knock it off.
Got some fishing wire? We'll hang it up somewhere.
Hang it up.
Said somebody done broke it one time.
Okay. Anybody gonna ask which one?
The runner-up was on time.
Yeah, which one?
You didn't go that route. No.
You gonna ask?
Which one, Keith?
You gonna ask?
Yes.
What?
Which one is not the, how you say it?
What?
The gal.
Gowan?
Yeah.
Keith, the sea
It
cab.
will.
A what?
The sea cab.
Sea cab.
That's right, because it does.
What sea cab?
Oldsmobile.
I ain't talking about the truck.
I think he's
I'm talking about these right here.
I think he's talking.
I think it's a Cadillac.
Does disassemble into two parts.
That's called a sea cab.
Do I have to show you again, Keith?
Oh, you talking about that Oldsmobile?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Hey, Keith, do I have to show you again?
No.
Okay, you
I know.
Okay.
See, I got a bigger version of that at the house. I want that in that box, a bigger version of that. It's about this damn long.
Anybody walked past me over here yet?
No, but be still and I'll get there.
Steve, where are you?
That's a record.
We'll bring it in two parts.
Will
You gonna ask?
fit in there?
Which one is it? Which one is it, Keith?
I don't think so, Tim.
I'm gonna take it 55.
Here's a clue. Is it in the case or not? Because I think it's a cataract.
A cataract, huh?
Hey guys, over 20 members present tonight. A lot of fun and laughter was had by everybody. Appreciate you coming along, and we will see you in the next video. God bless, guys.
Hey.